that's a loud one. Full chords throughout. Welcome back, everybody. I got a few things in the works. Some already, but this is the only one I'm doing today. It's a nice, simple one. Run Away. Is that what it's called? Great Big Sea? You'll see the title. I think it's Run Away. Yeah, Run Away. So basically, we'll get straight into it. There's two parts. And there's the verse parts, and then there's the chorus parts, right? Where are we here? Alright, so we're all in D. For the whole thing is in D except that last part. Yeah. So the verse. Do that twice. And this is going to be a fast lesson, jeez. The chorus is the same thing except the reverse. So the verse you're starting low and then you're going high. The chorus you're starting high and then you're going low. So chorus starts up here. Hold on. That's it. Great Big Sea, nice, simple, fast lesson today. This was kind of a fluke. I did this lesson like a year and a half ago, but I had it labeled Celtic Thingy Part 2 because when I was trying to figure out, because I forgot how I did that, the second part to that Celtic thingy. So I was watching a video, and as I'm learning it. And all of a sudden it clicked, wait a minute, there's another song in there. It took me a couple days to figure out what it was, because you get that song in your head and I'm like, what is this? I know once I got it and I figured out the real way, and it just worked out. So if you learn Celtic Thingy Part 2, you get a head start. That's it. That's all I got. I got some requests in the works. I got a good Fleetwood Mac song coming soon. Yeah, I think I still owe you guys some tabs too. I gotta go look. I think the last guitar lessons I didn't finish the tabs on it. Maybe Jingle Bells. Oh, maybe I won't even bother with the tabs for that. Okay, that's it. Practice, patience, have fun. We will see you guys next time.